Miss Furby girl. Oh. You're gonna show us how you make the tickets lucky and then throw them in the sink. Starring Miss Furby girl. What is she gonna do next? That's what we're always wondering. What's Furby gonna do next? Da, da, da. Furby girl. Look at your wings, they're so crisscrossed in the back. Princess's sets up like little butterfly wings, and hers go all the way across each other like scissors. You and Princess are completely different. Who's flying? I have a lemon drop. You're very quiet, Lemon. I thought you were one of the girls because you're not even talking today. You were singing